Right, so we're going to the co-working space, the new one, which is why I have this screen with me. It's 7:49, which in Malaga is basically the deep night still, so I'm pretty sure nobody will be around. And I'm really excited about getting set up on the new co-working space. And that's all that I have for this elevator ride. Thing for today is actually just get in as much client work as I can in, and then start working on my agency stuff, because I want to be well prepared, because tomorrow we're going to go on an offsite for a basically non-existing company, which is our company, to Barcelona. So what are we doing in Barcelona?
We have a mini KIZO retreat where we're basically here to visit friends but also do KIZO.
What is KIZO?
Our business that we're trying to launch. It's like a web agency where we want to provide websites to growing and small businesses or individuals who
Beautifully put.
would like an online presence, you know? So we want to make them visible to the whole world.
Nice. So what are we doing this week?
This week,
What have you been working on?
we're basically making progress, right? Because we're hoping to launch really soon. I'm working on cleaning up our homepage to just make it mobile responsive, to make it visually appealing, and to just clean up hover states and little things that aren't ready yet. Yeah.
And I think one thing as well, like why we did this, first of all, to go to Barcelona and just go back to where we met, but
See
then
friends.
also, this is the first time that we actually take some days off to build this properly. And I realize now like how much time it actually takes to build that, because it sounds simple, it's just simple website, but like there's a whole pipeline behind it.
But I really think marketing and getting it out there is the key that we're going to need to know how to do, because we can build websites, exactly like you said, and there will be, people in the world who need websites and would probably prefer to go for a solution where they know there's people they can talk to and who can build it for them and who can tweak it the way they want to, rather than an AI tool where they don't have as much flexibility.
These 2 days are just super important to like focus on what we actually have to build, and then realize like how long we actually have until we launch. Because for me, the most important thing right now is that we can launch so that we see whether people actually want to have the product or not.
Exactly. Testing the market.
Testing the market.
Exactly.
Then let's get to it, Emily, shall we?
Yeah.
So I'm back in Malaga, back in the co-working space, back where this week started, just wrapping up the video. It's been honestly a really, really good week. I talked about like progress last week, and I feel like this has been progress, because I finally carved out some time to work on the agency, even while traveling. And we made a lot of progress, but we also realized like how many more things we have to do, because it's not just an agency, this is actually like more like a digital product, looking like an agency, which again, I'll show you over the next few weeks. But for now, the only thing we have to do is just continue working on that. Emily has done an incredible job on the front end stuff, so I hope I can show you that as well next week. And otherwise, just trying to get to launch, so that, the ultimate goal of all of this is to be able to make some passive income on the side, that you don't continuously spend all your hours working. Which, ironically, I guess, this week has been pretty much every hour except for exercising has been work. But the goal is to get away from that over the next few weeks, months probably.